Welcome back to Adventure Tech, where I do the research so you don't have to. On today's episode, we are checking out a brand new product from LiTime, the LiTime 2000 watt 12 volt pure sine wave inverter. This is the newest version. It's got 20 millisecond ATS transfer switch built right in. But if you're in a hurry and just try and get that discount, feel free to use our promo code AdventureTech. You can get a discount on the already low price going on right now. Use the links in the comments or the description. You can get right over there and get that deal and help support our channel at the same time, which we always appreciate. For everybody else, we're going to go over every single detail on this brand new product from LiTime. So the 2000 watt pure sine wave inverter from LiTime that they just released is compatible with all 12 volt batteries and equipped with a built-in grid bypass that automatically switches from grid and battery power in as little as 20 milliseconds. That is so fast that whatever you're doing is not going to notice. This is going to keep your servers and different things running. This is great for a backup power supply for sensitive equipment you might have for your home or for your business. Keeping your devices running, there'll be no interruption. Features pure sine wave output, remote monitoring display, dual smart cooling fans, and operates reliably across a wide range of temperatures from negative 20 degrees Celsius all the way up to 40 degrees Celsius, which is negative 4 degrees Fahrenheit up to 104 degrees Fahrenheit. Gives you stable power for RV travel, off-grid living, and outdoor camping. Whether you're cruising through the mountain ranges in your RV, sailing the open ocean on your yacht, or venturing deep into the wilderness for an off-grid adventure, losing power is not an option. Steady output when it matters most, worry-free from the start to the finish, every journey backed by the power you can count on. That's what you get with this inverter. You get that dual fan active cooling for extended lifespan. It's equipped with this system that automatically ramps up to dissipate heat. This inverter operates across that wide range of temperatures from bitter cold to scorching summer heat and helps to deliver reliable power year-round. And on top of that, something to consider is the efficiency of your inverter. On the market, you're going to get anywhere from 75 to 90%, something like that. On average, you're getting upwards to 80%, but this gives you 90% plus ultra-high convergency efficiency, far surpassing that 75 to 80% average, and it gives you every bit of power in your battery, and it maximizes the fullest potential of your adventure. And of course, we want to be safe with this type of thing, so we got 5 layers of protection, uninterrupted safety every step of the way. 5 comprehensive safety protections built in, including low voltage, overvoltage, overheating, output overload, and output short circuit. So this is going to be running safely for you. That means it's going to run for a very long time for you. It's got real-time circuit monitoring that automatically cuts the power the moment an anomaly is detected. Very high-tech, very advanced, and this is something that you can own now. And next up, let's talk about the size of this. This is super small and super light. Plug in, power up, monitor with ease. It's slim profile. It's about 15 by 8 by 4 inches, weighs about 8.5 pounds or so. This 2000 watt power inverter fits almost anywhere, and it doesn't take up that precious space in your limited space build. The adjustable brightness LED display keeps you in control of everything, even in the darkest installations. Remote on and off, real-time power output. You got dual power mode. This is designed with all scenario coverage, grid battery status, and more. All at a glance. No more guessing what power source you're running on. You're going to know exactly with the monitor. From AC main inputs to standard outlet output, high power output, and USB fast charging, stable power is always within reach no matter what you need and where you are. And this is going to be able to power many different scenarios: RV road trips, off-grid cabins, outdoor cabins, home backup, whatever you need to do. This inverter is going to be able to keep your fridge, AC, your coffee maker, and microwave running throughout it all. One inverter for basically every scenario. And this is brand new, so there is a pretty good discount going on right now. You should try to take advantage of that while it lasts. And don't forget, use our promo code AdventureTech, get an additional discount on top of that. Use the links in the comments or the description if you want to go check this out. Take advantage of those early bird deals, and it helps support our channel at the same time, which I always appreciate. And everybody can subscribe completely for free just by clicking the subscribe button. Make sure to click that bell icon. You can be one of the first people over here to get to these early bird deals and learn about the brand newest tech that's on the market.